Good morning, Bears. I'm Karina.
And I'm Bry with your BTV announcements.
Today is Friday, February 7th, and February is Black History Month, which celebrates the collective experiences of African Americans.
Today is the last day to nominate teachers by using the link or QR code on the screen to be crowned as Brennan's King and Queen Kindness on Valentine's Day. Kindness Week begins on Monday with Pair Up for Kindness Twin Day, so find a partner and do a random act of kindness.
Sophomores continue registering for next year's classes until next Wednesday. Freshmen register February 18th to the 24th, so think about joining CTE course electives, such as AV production, auto tech, engineering, construction, fashion, culinary, forensic science, law enforcement, health science, or the Certified Medical Assisting Program. Take a look.
In honor of CTE Month, we wanted to educate you guys on our Certified Medical Assisting Program. Come check it out.
Medical assistants specialize in their field of interest, so that could include OBGYN, pediatrics, and orthopedics. They often go on to other nursing industries and healthcare jobs.
But it doesn't have to stop there.
Join CTE!
CTE Spirit Week ends today with Team CTE Day. I forgot mine, but are you wearing your favorite jersey or team attire?
Bears, next Wednesday, the Golden Pride organization will hold its tryout meeting at 6:30 p.m. in the cafeteria. If interested in trying out for cheer, dance, drill, or as a pep officer, both students and parents must attend this meeting to be eligible for tryouts. Only participants in our Golden Pride Spirit Organization or UIL-sponsored activities are eligible to participate in tryouts.
Our Bear basketball team continued to dominate district, beating the CF Falcons by 38 points this past Wednesday with an 89-51 win. Tomorrow, they go up against Taft at 12:30 p.m. at Paul Taylor Fieldhouse. BF&D Bears on your march to state. This past Tuesday, our Lady Bears basketball team ended their last regular season game against Boerne with a 68-51 win and a 14-2 record, placing them second in district. Huge shout out for freshman Elena Perez for hitting 18 points all in the first quarter, going 6 for 6 from the three-point line, finishing with 21 points for the game. Janae Walls added 15 points of her own to the Lady Bears. The Lady Bears are headed to the playoffs.
Our Lady Bears soccer team fought hard against the Taft Lady Raiders, but they lost the match 2-0. Today they face Warren at Northside Field number 2 at 5 p.m. BFND ladies. Also, this past Wednesday, Jacob Lopez scored the lone goal with Dominic Gallardo assisting in our Bears soccer team 1-0 win against the Taft Raiders. Today they square off against Warren at Northside Field Gym number 2 at 7 p.m. BFND Bears.
Once more, Brennan Bears Track and Field asks for your support for training equipment, a practice timing system, event-specific equipment, uniform restock, travel expensive, and general program needs. Click on the link to their fundraiser page on X.
Tomorrow there is an accelerated instruction opportunity from 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. It will provide students with an intensive review of the material needed to pass the EOC exam. Check in at the main entrance between 8 to 8:30 a.m. Remember to bring your Chromebook. The STAR EOC exam will take place in April. Take advantage of this free program. Does navigating the world of financial aid overwhelm anybody?
Oh, it overwhelms me.
The February Financial Aid Workshop can help provide valuable information and assistance as you plan for college expenses. It's Monday, noon to 3 p.m. in the Career Center.
Brennan HOSA will host a Nothing But Cake fundraiser all week with the individual Bundt at $7. HOSA members have order forms or order from any health science teacher. Lots of luck to the Golden Stars Varsity team, Starlettes JV Drill Team, and Shooting Stars Pep Squad at their first competition of season at Boerne Champion tomorrow.
Do you want to get your hat? While I'm talking, okay. Finally, our education and training strand in CTE prepares future educators, counselors, and leaders to make a difference in the lives of others. From hands-on teaching experiences to learning essential skills for the classroom, this program is perfect for students passionate about inspiring the next generation. Interested? Stop by Child Development Teacher Marcelo Flores' classroom in E103 for more information.
This is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on X and also on Instagram at BTV Bears. You can also catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears.
I'm Karina, signing off from BTV. Have a great day.
And I'm Bry. Remember to have a positive mindset, stay engaging in learning, and evolve every day. Peace out, Bears.
Strong.